flexing extensively. Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Shanika. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a nail video. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start off by drilling my nails, and I'm drilling my nails to remove all of the excess oil. The drill that I'm using, I believe it's called Gina or something like that. I'll be sure to try to leave it in the description box, but I did order it from Amazon a while ago. Like I said, I'm just drilling my nails to remove all oils off my nail surface. After drilling my nails, I'll be going in with my Beauty Secrets Prep B4 dehydrant. I got this dehydrant from Sally's. You can get this dehydrant from anywhere, I'm sure, and any brand, but I am using the Beauty Secrets because it came in an acrylic set that I bought before. The nails that I'll be using today are the EC Basket nails from Amazon. You know, Amazon is just a one-stop shop. So the nail glue that I'm using today is Kiss Power Flex Precision Nail Glue. Now this nail glue was trash, you know, like it was just trash. As you can see, I applied the nail onto the false nail onto my real nail, but it came off. Like the nail glue is sticky, but it requires a lot to place that false nail onto your original nail. Y'all, when I tell you I was really struggling with this nail glue, but I went on ahead and made it work. So after I have applied the nails to all of my natural nails, what I'm going to do is go in with the EC Basket Cuticle Pusher. I'm using this Cuticle Pusher to make my nails look grown out, just because I did my nails and I didn't want this nail look for a very long time. So I just decided to go ahead and do the Cuticle Pusher. Once again, like I said, to make my nails look grown out. This Cuticle Pusher is also by EC Basket. After drilling my nails, I'm going in with this very skinny nail drill bit. This nail drill bit is what I forgot the name of it, but what I'm basically using it for is for my cuticles and to remove all of the excess glue that ran off of the false nail. So I just like to go ahead and remove any type of excess glue with that drill bit. After drilling my nails with that drill bit, I'll be clipping my nails, and I'm clipping my nails with this nail clipper from Amazon as well. It's supposed to be like a professional nail clipper. You know, it comes with the edge, and it automatically comes with a straight edge or a curved edge, but the blade that I have on now is the straight edge, just because I didn't want to have to do a whole lot of filing. So I'll be filing my nails. Well, before filing my nails, I of course make sure that all nails are even, make sure that they, you know, one side match the other side. You know how it go. I'll be filing my nails with the Beauty Secret 420 emery grit board, and you can get this emery board from Sally's as well. I really need to give me a new one. Mine kind of old, but it's okay. We're just gonna work with what we get, okay? So after filing my nails, doing all of that crazy filing, I like to first start with the edge. So I'm like file my edges and then go ahead and go back and do the tip of the nail. And what I like to do is just take that nail file and push it in the upward motion or whatever. And that's just pretty much how I get the shape that I want. After filing my nails, I'll be buffing the false nails with the buffer from my local nail store here in the town, in the city or whatever. I'm just buffing my nails to remove all of the shine off of the false nails, because I mean, you just want to give yourself a very nice base. I'll also be buffering my nails furthermore with this small orange buffer brush. After doing my nails with this small buffing brush, what I decided to do is just go ahead and go in with another drill bit, which is very soft. It doesn't remove any of the false nail or anything like that, because you know some of the drill bits are very rough and it'll just tear the plastic up. I'm just going in with that very gentle one, just to also remove more and more oils, and just to make it an easy canvas before applying my false nails. So I'm spraying my nails with alcohol to clean the excess debris from filing and drilling. But after cleaning it with alcohol, I'm going in with this smoothing, very smoothing drill. I'll try to leave the name of that too, but y'all know, if we're gonna see. Anyways, I use that drill to go ahead and make sure that I smooth the bottom of my nail, because You know, they be pretty sharp and stuff once you file them so much. Now, I let my base coat dry for 30 seconds. The base coat that I used was by Beetles. I didn't get a chance to get a picture of it, but after letting that base coat sit under the nail fan for about 30 seconds, the Lucky Polish that I'm using today is by Essie out of my nail polish collection. This Essie color is called So Psyched. I thought it was perfect for fall. So Psyched. It was green. It was just so cute, so I thought it was perfect. I'll be applying this regular color and allowing it to dry for 5 minutes. After allowing my regular nail polish to dry for 5 minutes, I'm going in with my Beetles Top Coat Gel Polish in a dryer for 60 seconds, and I'm going to do that twice. So that means, of course, for 2 minutes on 60 seconds, or 60 seconds twice is 2 minutes, but 2 minutes for each hand. And this is pretty much it for this nail video, baby. I'm going to see you in my next one. Make sure you stay exclusive, boo. And, I hope this one went all over the place. But if it was, it is what it is. Stay exclusive.